Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip, unzip it, lock it, fill it, call it, find it, view it, code it, generate it, surf it.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about haptic technology and how haptics is being implemented into the world of gaming, and especially using one specific device. Haptic technology tries to immerse and engross the user by using force feedback that replicates the movements that they're doing with a certain controller. Just to give you a brief history on how haptics first came into gaming, in the year 1997 it was the Nintendo 64 and its controller that had a peripheral called the Nintendo Rumble Pack. This was inserted into the back of the controller and then it vibrated depending on what movements you did. A competing console called Sony's PlayStation, they then competed with Nintendo to bring out the DualShock controller, which had its rumble pack integrated into it. This rumble pack used two small motors and this was gave it the vibration. But now we're in a new era, 9 years later, and we have a specific device that really builds on foundations that these controllers set. And now we're going to talk about the Novin Falcon. So this is the Novin Falcon. As you know, this is a serious piece of technology. At the top here we have an interchangeable grip. It is really like a computer mouse. It moves in the same directions. You can go left, right, backwards and forwards. But there's one dimension that the Novin Falcon can move in that a computer mouse can't, and that's upwards and downwards. So as I move the interchangeable grip, there's a 3D cursor that's representing my movements. The way in which it's done is there's sensors built into the Novin Falcon that can pick up these three extending arms in 3D space. When my 3D cursor comes in contact with an object on the screen, the computer recognises that this has happened. What it does is it updates the motors that are built into the Novin Falcon. Therefore, the Novin Falcon is opt for a motorised base. They could have gone for something else like a hydraulic fluid-based system, but decided to go with motors. The reason why Novin opted to use a motorised system is because it's harder for a hydraulic system to be maintained over a longer period of time. There's a total number of 3 motors in the Novin Falcon, one per extended arm, and this gives overall balance and really good feedback. The motors are used corresponding with a cable driven mechanism that allows for the feedback and easy movement. So as I was saying, the computer updates the motors that are inside the Novin Falcon, and it does this at a staggering rate. It does it at 1,000 times per second, and that's a 1 kHz rate. So if we consider that for 1,000th of every second, the Novin Falcon is able to produce a force at any distance of any magnitude of the maximum force. Some people may ask, what is the maximum force of Novin Falcon? And that's 2 pounds. That's 2 pounds in any direction. Our bodies aren't used to this movement because controllers haven't been made like the Novin Falcon before. So it's such a shock to the system that the feedback really is brilliant. Why is feedback essential in gaming? Touch is a primary tool for humans to understand the world around them. And this tool really hasn't been utilised to its full capabilities in gaming yet. It's Novin Falcon that takes a step into this world and really utilises it. So the Novin Falcon really gives the player an immersive feeling when they're playing the game. It gives perfect one-to-one motion. Just to show you here, if I move the grip to the right, it'll raise the baseball bat behind the player's body. If I move it to the left, it'll swing it right out in front of him. That's perfect one-to-one motion. No matter how slow I go, it's perfect. If I use the controls on the top of the grip and click enter, I'll get the ball thrown at me and I can swing and hit it. From our research, haptics has been best applied to gaming through the Novin Falcon, and it really does have its benefits. The Falcon provides true one-to-one motion and has 3 motors integrated into it. No other controller on the market has this. For double the price, you're really getting 10 times the quality. Novin Falcon really is the future of haptics in gaming, and the future is looking bright.
Technologic.